Welcome to our overview on food industry regulations, certifications, and classifications. I'm Brenda Martin with CIRAS, the Center for Industrial Research and Service. We're the Manufacturing Extension Partnership for the state of Iowa. As a food manufacturer, it's important to create a culture around food safety reinforced by the company values, mission, and strategy. The programs highlighted in the triangle diagram must be monitored and kept current by company leadership, employees, and anyone who serves your business. Let's take a closer look at the left side of the picture. The lists in the brown color column are federal and state regulatory agencies. We've used Iowa as the example. Your state will have similar agencies. The federal agencies lists are shortened to the acronym. Any or all of these agencies could impact a food manufacturer in some way. It's up to a business leader to understand the regulations which apply to their operation. These agencies will not reach out and tell you their laws apply to your company. Their role is to regulate. Your local MEP contact offers guidance to help you ascertain your federal and state regulatory agencies. You may find your center at the NIST.gov website listed at the top of the page. Educate yourself constantly. When state and federal regulations change, it's up to company leadership to review updates and enforcements, to consider the effects on your business and the actions necessary to maintain your compliance. Understand who could come knocking to inspect your facility. Always ask if the person's from the state or federal level agency. Some agreements exist where state employees may act on behalf of the federal agencies. Get a copy of their credentials to be sure you know who you're speaking with. Your local MEP contact will help you follow up to inspections. It helps if you're willing to share inspection reports with our MEP specialists. And remember, our help for clients is confidential, never shared with regulatory officials. Let's step through the triangle diagram. Starting at the base, consider this your foundation. Supply chain. You must have a supplier verification program that ensures you're purchasing materials from qualified suppliers. Facility design. If you're planning to build a new facility, you can base decisions on food safety, employee safety, and sanitary design, balanced with looking to the future with Industry 4.0 and automation strategies to support growth. Be wary of food safety challenges if you err in your facility design. Watch your cross-contamination, employee flow, deliveries, materials, and finished product paths. Older facilities must manage challenges with existing equipment or old building design. Be strategic with your investments to eliminate hazards a few at a time. Education must be continual for your leadership team, your qualified individuals, and all employees in your facility. Taking one class is not enough. Your local MEP offers regular workshops and one-on-one coaching. Current Good Manufacturing Practices, or CGMPs. Every person, every day, must fully understand their role in CGMPs. All employees need education on CGMPs as a part of their regular training. Anyone entering your facility must also comply and receive training. That goes for visitors, contractors, truck drivers, service technicians, everyone, every day, every shift. This area is quite broad, impacting the entire operation. Moving up to cleaning and sanitation. You cannot assume your employees know how to clean or what it means to clean. Train and give them the right tools to clean properly to eliminate excessive use of water and overuse of soap or sanitizers. Often cleaning occurs on second or third shift. Your cleaning and sanitation team is highly important to the success of your company. Understand the right chemicals to use and which sanitizers work in your environment. This protects your products, your employees, and controls operating costs. Buy your chemicals from a supplier who provides technical support and training on proper use of chemicals. Think about the agencies who can come knocking. What goes into the air or down your drain matters to OSHA, the EPA, the DNR, your city waste treatment, and your facility neighbors. Moving up the triangle to hazard analysis for your food safety plan or hazard analysis and critical control points. Both FDA and USDA regulated facilities must have a hazard analysis to determine their preventive controls or critical control points. Reaching this phase, you will have activated your prerequisite programs. Your team continually monitors and analyzes data, conducts internal audits, and has strategies to improve current processes. When your leadership team is confident in your ability to meet regulatory requirements, you have a strong culture that supports quality and food safety. When your products are successful and margins are good, and your facility has production capacity, you may be ready to develop a strategy to grow sales. But are you prepared to grow? Certifications or other classifications are one way to grow sales in new markets. On the right side of this slide, the dark red and dark blue boxes list certifications and special classifications or claims. Remember, these are additions to the regulations and will not allow you to skip the regulations. Most certifications and classifications are not free, and they cannot just be bought. They require a strong leadership commitment and a team to accomplish. Additional programs and tracking likely will be needed. They will require additional audits. Some certifications could take you a year or longer to achieve. A consideration with certifications and classifications, non-conformance to the standard becomes public information. Careful preparation and ongoing management is necessary. Remember, your local MEP center can help you determine your opportunities. The center's quick list website will help you locate your state MEP centers.